What is a PyQt data model for tree views? Imagine trying to organize a huge family tree or a complex file system in a way that a computer can understand and display easily. That's where a PyQt data model for tree views comes into play. It acts like a bridge between your data and how it looks on the screen. When you use a QTreeView widget in PyQt, you need a way to tell it what data to show and how it's structured. That's what the data model does. It holds all the information and manages the relationships between different pieces of data, like parent and child nodes. In PyQt, the model view architecture separates data from its presentation. The data model stores the data and provides methods to access it. The view, like QTreeView, asks the model for data and then displays it. This setup makes it easy to update or change the data without messing up the display. For tree views, the data naturally has a hierarchy, with items that can have sub-items or children. To handle this, PyQt models for tree views usually subclass QAbstractItem model or use QStandardItem model. These classes help organize data into a tree structure with multiple levels. Each node in the tree is often represented by a custom class called TreeItem. This class keeps track of the data for each column and references to its parent and children. The model manages all these tree items internally. It implements functions to tell the view how many rows and columns there are, what data to show, and how items are connected. It also creates QModelIndex objects, which are like pointers that the view uses to access specific items quickly. This setup allows the QTreeView to display things like file directories, organizational charts, or nested data. You can even connect the model to external data sources like databases. The model can support features like drag and drop, editing data directly in the view, and updating the display dynamically. In simple terms, a PyQt data model for tree views is a way to organize and manage hierarchical data so that it can be shown clearly and interactively in a desktop application. It's a core part of PyQt's framework that makes building complex, nested interfaces straightforward and flexible.